This is the most distinguished order of clinicals. It's from our Guy's Hospital records, and it dates from 1889 until 1930. When I first came across it, I assumed that it would be a dry, administrative record, and it certainly started off that way, with clinicians signing their names and giving their credentials, but eventually they started to illustrate their entries. As well as illustrations, they also included details of their most gruesome cases. This is the entry from 1899, and it includes a list of poisonings that were admitted to the ward. So we have 1 cocaine, 1 paraffin, 2 opium, 5 carbolic acid, and so forth. My favourite illustration from this record is this one here. It features black cats on the ward, which are a recurring motif, and something called Ye Clinical's meat juice, for which we also have a recipe that really gives you a flavour of what treatment would have been like in the 1890s. Clinical beef juice is simple to prepare at home. All you need is an enamel tray, some lean mince, some beef tea, some hot water and a colander. Boil the mince in the tray with the water, add a few teaspoons of beef tea and strain it through the colander. It should come out looking something like this. Oh, Kate, you're looking a bit peaky. Are you sure you couldn't benefit from some clinical beef juice? No? Well, take that home with you, see how you get on.